Meaning of demonize.
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 Demonize. The word demonize means to portray someone or something as evil or wicked. When someone is demonized, they are often falsely accused and unfairly criticized, which can lead to a negative public perception and discrimination. This can result in social isolation, stigmatization, and even violence against the demonized individual or group. Additionally, demonization can create a culture of fear and mistrust, hindering communication and progress. It is important to recognize the harm caused by demonization and strive to promote empathy and understanding instead.